U.S. stocks were little changed Tuesday morning as traders returned to work following Labor Day weekend and assessed unemployment benefits that expired for over 7 million Americans and the impact on the U.S. economy. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell over 100 points or 0.35%, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite fell 0.20% and 0.01%, respectively. Bond yields continued to climb after rising in the wake of last week's disappointing jobs report. The benchmark 10-year yield was up 4 basis points at 1.36% after advancing 3 basis points on Friday. In stocks, financials, including J.P. Morgan Chase & Co., Bank of America Corporation and Citigroup Incorporated, were trending higher as rising bond yields swung the yield curve steeper. Moderna shares also fell on speculation its COVID-19 booster shot will not be approved by the FDA in time for the government's September 20 planned push, while Pfizer-BioNTech's version is expected to meet the deadline. Elsewhere, Boeing Company shares were in focus after the Wall Street Journal reported 787 Dreamliner deliveries would likely be delayed until at least October as it awaits regulatory approval. Separately, Irish low-cost carrier Ryanair Holdings plc, Boeing's biggest customer outside of the US, said it will not make a new order for 737 MAX jets due to a dispute over pricing. Meanwhile, Match Group Incorporated, the parent company of dating app Tinder, joined the S&P 500, replacing private label pharmaceutical manufacturer Perrigo Company plc. In deals, PIMCO agreed to buy Columbia Property Trust Incorporated for $2.2 billion. In earnings, GameStop and Kroger among the companies set to report later in the week. In commodities, West Texas Intermediate crude oil slid 87 cents to $68.42 a barrel and gold lost $21.20 to $1,812.50 an ounce. Overseas markets were mixed. European bourses were lower across the board, with Germany's DAX 30 falling 0.32% and France's CAC 40 slipping 0.12% despite Eurozone growth being revised higher. Elsewhere, Britain's FTSE 100 declined 0.35%. In Asia, Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index jumped 0.73%. Japan's Nikkei 225 climbed 0.86% and China's Shanghai Composite surged 1.51%.